now we're back on vacation and we're heading to Ålesund, Erika's hometown. Yeah. So the first stop is this amazing place. It's nearby Oppdal and it's a cable car. It was the guys living on the farm over there, and what they did, they built this thing. It's just amazing. It's quite far down and it's just a spectacular view. So if you're ever in this area, you should really stop and check it out. It's not
for everyone. It's not if you have if you're scared of heights. This will make your stomach turn.
Yeah. And you don't see it from the road, so you have to know where to stop. So I will search up this place and I will let you know in the description below. And if you're wondering about anything about this place, just leave a comment below and I'll see if I can hit you up with a good answer. So now we're heading to Ålesund, Erika's hometown, and staying there for some days before we are heading further to an amazing fjord. So looking forward to that.
Hjørundfjorden.
Hjørundfjorden. So we're heading to Hjørundfjorden and we're going to stay there some days as well. You really want to see that because that fjord is... Everybody's talking about Geiranger in Norway, but Hjørundfjorden, that's the shit.
That's the shit.
Yeah. So now we're heading to the Tesla car. It's a typical Norwegian day. It's raining and yeah, it's okay to be in the car in a day like this, but there's so many nice places to stop along the way. And this is just one of them. So yeah, now we have to find the car, but as you can see, it's not like this is a place you find by yourself. You have to know where to stop. Hva heter lomme på engelsk? Lomme, trafikklomme. It's just a very small place on the side of the road where you can stop the car. So you really have to know when to stop because it's like in a corner. So I'll leave a description on where this place is. You should check it out if you're on this way. And yeah, let's go. So this is just our luck. We arrived like 3 minutes before the ferry was supposed to leave, but the ferry left. So yeah, it's just 15 minutes until the next one, so it's not so much time to wait, but it's just our luck. Either we come like the last car on the ferry, or we can come like the first car on the ferry. Always.
So now we're at this magical place outside of Ålesund called Alnes, and it's actually the place where we got married 3 years ago. So it's extra special to us and it's just so magical. And Eivind is testing his new drone.
Yeah. So I'm looking forward to show you the pictures I got from this place, and I'm also going to go into Ålesund and take some shots there because with this sunset it's just so beautiful. And if you're ever in the area, I think you will like it out here.
This is a must see if you're in the area. Absolutely.
Yeah. So you have this lighthouse and you have a to get out here you have to drive through 4 tunnels. Some of them bigger than others, and one huge bridge. Yeah.
So this is the beach where we shot our wedding pictures. It's just amazing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Now we've driven to an outlet just outside of Ålesund called Devold-fabrikken. It's on a place called the Langevåg, and it's just the most amazing outlet. You can see it behind me. So we're going to have some lunch inside, and then we're going to go and see if we can find some sunglasses for Erica and a new bag for Erica and some other stuff. So I will show you this place. If you're ever in the area, I suggest you take the trip out here if you're wanting to buy anything, because they have good prices on good Norwegian stuff. So check it out. Good morning, guys! So yesterday when we arrived, we found that they have just opened a fjordsauna like 1 kilometer away, and they opened like yesterday was the first day. I found them on Facebook, and we got to book ourselves in. So now we're heading there. I haven't been swimming in the ocean so far this year, so I think it's going to be freezing, but the sauna is going to be nice. So looking forward to see how this is like. Yeah, let's roll!